In today's video, we're going to talk about the top aluminum windows for 2024. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today I'm standing in our beautiful showroom where we have over a dozen brands of windows and doors here in Houston. If you live in the area, come by. If you don't live in the area and you're looking for a great window company, you've got to check out thewindowexperts.com. That's my website where I have a list of hundreds of quality window dealers all over the country. Maybe I know somebody near you. Now in this video, we're going to talk about, for 2024, the top aluminum products that I see on the market. Now, you say aluminum, Jeff, I thought everybody wanted to get rid of their aluminum. Well, you do if it's old aluminum, but I'm talking about high performance aluminum, aluminum 2.0. So you say, Jeff, what's different about aluminum? Well, I've got a great video about aluminum products. There's a link up here and one down on the bottom, but just a quick summary is to say that aluminum is so inefficient because it's such a great conductor of heat and cold. But when you break it, what we call a thermal break, when you separate the outside from the inside, as seen here, you can see that we have this composite material that's between the outside and the inside, so that you actually have two aluminum windows divided by a non-conducting barrier. This is what we call thermally improved or thermally broken windows and doors. So check that out. Now I'm standing here looking at a couple of options, and you know, people choose aluminum for a few reasons. One, they choose aluminum because of its strength. That's very, very, true. You think about this, if you have old aluminum windows, they may be inefficient, but you've got to give them credit for being strong, right? They've been there for a very long time. And while vinyl's not as strong as aluminum, there is some high quality vinyl. There's really almost nothing stronger than aluminum, except for, say, fiberglass, for example. And I've got some videos about that. I've got videos about the other top windows for 2024 as well. I'm going to have those down below. You can go down there and watch that playlist. But I'm looking at this window and I'm thinking, I like it because it's a white window, and if I want white windows, which 83% of all windows in the US being sold in 2024 are expected to be white, it's a nice white window with nice clean lines, with a nice finish, and it's very strong, and it's very durable. Now here's another option too that we see, and this you notice is silver. This has more of a silver finish, and that seems to be a really big trend when it comes to aluminum. And this is something that's harder to replicate on vinyl windows, for example, because finishes on vinyl windows are somewhat restricted. You're going to have fewer options. Now, when you say to me, Jeff, I'd like a black window on the inside and the outside, and you're considering vinyl, you have to remember that when vinyl, they make a black window inside and out. It's actually a white window that they go to the trouble to cover both sides, either with a laminate or with a co-extrusion of some kind, or they are going to paint it. And so that raises the price. Sometimes when you get a high quality vinyl product in two-tone colors or all black, for example, you might as well bump up to aluminum because aluminum costs more, but it becomes actually more cost effective. So you can see here, this product is made by NT, which is out of the Fort Worth area. And you can see how the inside and the outside are both black, and it's made out of a really strong, durable material, which is aluminum. Does it have the same energy criteria as you would find, for example, in fiberglass or vinyl or wood clad? No, it doesn't, but it's darn near close. If you're in a really cold climate, this may not be a good option for you, any of these, but if you're in a mild climate or definitely in a hot climate, aluminum actually that's thermally broken does really well. Now this is kind of like the King Kong of the brands. You've heard of other brands out there like La Cantina, you've heard of Fleetwood, you've heard of Panda. But in my opinion, I like the products from Western the best. They're based out of Phoenix. I've got some videos about that we'll put down below. But these are beautiful windows, and here's why people like to buy them. One of the reasons is this actually has the look of steel. Steel windows and doors are so cool, they're so popular. You see them in the beautiful mansions across the world, but they're very, very expensive. And if you notice here, this is a more affordable option to that steel look. I'll give you a close-up of how pointed and just beautifully crisp the lines are on this window. And this is a look you're not going to get from vinyl. It's not a look you're going to get from wood. It's a look you're probably only going to get from steel and from aluminum. So check that out. I think it's pretty cool. And also, if you're looking for sort of an industrial kind of a look, more of a warehouse look, notice how Western also makes a casement here that actually has these cool barrel hinges. And that just lends to sort of that gearhead kind of product. It's not quite so elegant looking. It looks more warehousey, more industrial, and we see that a lot of these modern farmhouses really like that look because having that barrel hinge, having the nice flat profile grid compared to that steel look, having the operation and the ease of operation from a product like this that's made with precision and quality is really nice. So these are, in my opinion, the top picks for high quality aluminum windows for 2024. If you're looking for a great window company near you that can help you with these products, check out my website. It's thewindowexperts.com. Hey, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. It helps our channel. And if you're in the Houston area, drop by and see me. I'd like to meet you. From my family to yours, we wish this is the best year for you ever. Happy 2024.